Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be fixing a problem with the central door lock mechanism in the Ferrari here. Okay, you can see here it's unlocked. I lock it, and that's just done mechanically. And then if I unlock it, again it's simply mechanical, right? Whereas if I go on the other side, okay, so I'm unlocking it. You can hear the central lock mechanism, and it's supposed to actually unlock both doors. And if I lock, you can hear that. You hear that sort of sound. You don't hear that on the other side. Moreover, when I open the door, another sort of interesting peculiarity: open the door, you see the red light there, and you see that light doesn't come on when I open the driver's side door. Okay, so what I want to do is pull off the door panel here and take a gander inside and see what the problem is. There are three pieces here. There's this top piece, this sort of black leather piece, there's the middle panel, and then the bottom panel. And what you do is remove the first panel, the middle panel first. There should be a screw here, right there. That's going to be the first to come out, and then I will pull out the surroundings, these housings here. So door handle and the window adjustment mechanism remain there, and I can pull the piece out. Move these screws. Okay, we're under the door now, and there's some screws all along the bottom edge, and these have to come out. You know, I can't get this thing off. I'm just going to have this thing sort of balancing there, and my the business that I want to look at is down here, so maybe I can replace this motor without messing with that. We'll see. All right, this is the central door locking switch, and I'm going to plug it back in, but before I do that, I'll just clean the contact surfaces with this stuff. Okay guys, looking at this, I've located the source of the problem. You see this sort of mechanism here, which is connected to this thing, the door lock. If you look, you see down there is the top of the solenoid there. That will go up and down. As you can see there, there's a little plastic bit that's broken off and so it's disconnected the two. So I thought it was a problem with my electrical system, but it was actually a piece of plastic. That little bit goes in there. You can see right behind the, and you can see the piece of this little piece of plastic is broken there, just snapped, and that's to keep the hook from sliding off, which it did. And you see how it's supposed to work. And if I think that's locked, if I unlock it. And so the thing is, if I can source that little plastic bit, that will be, I'm not sure it's available, but if it is, it should be an easy fix. All right, while I'm in here, I'm going to pop these electrical connectors and just sort of clean them, because maybe this is to address the question of why my parking light doesn't light. And so I'll just check all the connections. And I believe these connectors go connected to the door to these switches here, which I'm going to unscrew these and also clean them up. There are my little switches. I don't know if the cleaning worked, but my interior light seems to be working. Okay, there's the piece that I need to replace, and that's actually hard to get a hold of. I can get it from Great Britain and have it a little 10-cent piece mailed to me, but what I'm going to try to do, if I can avoid that, I will. And so I found at the local AutoZone, they have a piece that's sort of the functional equivalent. If you see here, this piece here will clip in, and it will, basically what it does is it prevents this piece here from popping out. It's done. It snaps right in. Now that seems to work. Okay, let's test the doors. It locks. Okay, that locked. Let's try to unlock it here on the passenger side. It appears to be unlocked here. I think that's fixed. Okay, we have to replace the vapor barrier here, and we're going to try to do that quickly. All right, guys, you can see here with the condition of the interior of my doors. Actually, it's excellent inside, the metal here. But where you see some corrosion is on the bottom of the window. And this is kind of typical Ferrari. Water comes in when it rains through the window, and the steel is just kind of, it's not in great shape. It's not worth it dealing with it here. But the interior of the door is actually pretty good. Inside, I don't see any sort of corrosion or anything in the sort of interior place here. That looks all very nice, which is good. But the corrosion is just, again, along that door frame you see there.